5 years. I've invested my time, my money, and my energy learning about walk-in bathtubs, what technologies and tubs and manufacturers there are out there, what's good, what's bad, what works and what doesn't work. And right now, unfortunately, and especially on the internet and through mass media marketing, it literally is a jungle. The analogy I like to use is we understand cars. If I parked a Yugo and a Chrysler and a Bentley, gray four-door, each one of them on the curb, you wouldn't look at those and say they're all the same. We know that there's differences in quality. When it comes to safe bathing technology, the consumer doesn't understand the wide ranges of differences in quality, and they're subject to being taken advantage of. This particular appliance is an example of a company that's manufacturing a tub without a frame. I'm not an engineer, and I'm not here to tell you that that's flawed engineering. I am here to tell you that it creates difficulty in the install, and that we've had a number of complaints with these particular tubs. For example, this is a two-piece door. If this tub flexes or shifts or moves as you get in and out of it over time, filling it with water, climbing it in and out, day in and day out, there's a risk that the tub shell will flex, pressure will come around the door, and we have had experiences in the past with these two-piece doors cracking. I'd like you to take a look here if you would. These are low-end jets, and if you're going to have an air system on your tub, which we think is important, we want it to be sanitary, which means we don't want water flowing back into the lines that will permit bacteria growth. This particular European tub, I like the shell, I like the manufacturing. I say it's got a very warm feel to it, and one of the reasons it has a warm, solid feel is because it is actually structurally framed around wood. And if you can see this is raw plywood. It's not even pressure treated or waterproofed in any way. Most of the European tubs do not have tile flanges around them. Okay, in the United States, we should have a tile flange that's installed to the studs, and the wall material is then installed over the top of that flange. That creates a permanent water barrier, so we never have to worry about water getting behind the tub. No tile flange, risk of water behind the tub, raw wood, long term, not something I'm particularly excited about. This is a straight Chinese tub. I will tell you right now, I have no issue with Chinese products. I don't care if products made in China or Mars for that matter. The issue is always quality. Here's your fill spout on this tub. Very cute, clever idea. Makes the water come out in a sheet, kind of like a little waterfall. Problem, it takes 17 minutes for this tub to fill up. Most seniors are not going to sit patiently in a tub for 17 minutes while it's trying to fill up. We want to use rapid flow 3/4 inch valves to fill the tubs up as quickly as possible. The real issue for you as a consumer is the quality of that product, and who's testing it, who's engineering it, who's making sure that those quality control standards are maintained. That is a commitment that we at Bentley Baths will always honor for you and keep. Remember, my name's on every tub.